Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about weak set. So, like set, it's a weak form of that set which does not do well. With. So, when we put small numbers, what we're gonna do is give it a, and the add method appends a new object to the end of an weak set. So let's begin. So const weak set 1 equals new weak set, and now we're gonna make a const object 1 equals an empty object. So what we're gonna do is first weak set 1 dot add and put that object the object which name is object 1. So when we append that object inside that, and when we logged, and we can now check that object with has, it has a has property, weakset 1 dot has. It will check for us that it has or not, and returns a boolean if it present inside it. So what we're gonna do, expected output is true because it has one, because we appended it. So we're gonna check what the heck. Oh, weak. Now it must be true. Okay, so it's true. And now what we're gonna do is weak set 1 dot add. It will not work. What we're gonna do now is, what the heck? So we're gonna add 1 and it will not work. We can't see that. We can see that, but in not a good way. So what we're gonna do, use error handling method and use that. So weak set 1 xv and catch its exception with that. So see, we can see that, and if you want, for your convenience, e.message invalid value in a weak set. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys next time.